as VRC was a bit trick. I did tried a lot, but I actually did not. My real exam is where I was not able to perform by the strategy that I went in. I had to adapt by the very last second. That at first I thought that I'll be attempting the VA sections, but as soon as I sat and gave the exam. Hi, I'm Sejal Sharma. I scored 97.08 percentile in CAT 2024. I'm a fresher. I'm currently pursuing Bachelor's of Technology from Indraprastha University, Delhi. I had 96.4% in 10 and 95.8% in 12th. My journey for CAT just started kind of a bit abruptly 3 months before the exam. I did not had much clue about the exam pattern itself, but it did started abruptly, so I would just say that keep going for it. I knew after looking at the pattern that VRC would be a bit difficult for me. And for the rest, I think that aptitude was my forte, and I had enough interest in maths to do quants. So I just needed a bit of practice. But I remember it was a 90-day journey to CAT that I saw the first video of mine that I saw at the CAT King's channel, Sumit's video. And that is where it all started, exactly 90 days before the exam. I knew I sat down, I heard him out, I watched a couple more videos and got to know about the exams pattern. And all I figured out was that it is not the most impossible thing to do. From basic strategies, just to do 7 questions each in every section, I did started and I just believed in myself that I can do it. The only problem was that VARC was I had absolutely no interest in reading at all since my childhood. So I knew it would be tricky. But still, I just started reading Aeon essays as Sir suggested, and rest I thought that I'll focus more on my DILR and quants that will cover up my VRC. That is what actually happened as well. Almost a month in, when I started giving mocks, almost 2 to 3 mocks in a week, was I started the real CAT mocks. I started feeling a bit more confident, but I also kept giving sectional tests alongside to make sure that my each section also gets stronger. And as VRC was a bit trick, I did tried a lot, but I actually did not. My real exam is where I was not able to perform by the strategy that I went in. I had to adapt by the very last second. That at first I thought that I'll be attempting the VA sections, but as soon as I sat and gave the exam, I did attempt the RC first and then the VA. But the only thing that I did was consistent all 3 months while attempting mocks was for each section I used to spend 2 minutes each. I used to open the whole question paper and just go through it and do the right selection of questions. Because I think from all the guidance that I could actually gather around was that the selection of questions and practice is the most important thing for CAT. So that is what I did, and it actually helped me quite a lot. 2 days before the exam, I just did one mock each on the day, and I scored 80 and 81 on both the days. And because I had practiced so much while even I was giving my CAT exam, it felt like a mock. I was practicing in all the 3 slots before I was assigned a slot itself. I gave past year papers, I gave 2025 real CAT mocks at CAT King. All of it helped me so much that I lost the pressure and the fear of the exam in itself. When I was sitting there, I was very bit nervous, and as soon as the exam started, I left it all behind me that I'm just gonna go give my best. And that is, I think, I got 82 marks. And as soon as I walked out of my exam center, I said to my parents, mock jaisa hua hai. And that is what exactly happened. I got 80, 81, 82. So all my advice would be just keep going and believe in yourself. And also to get a mentor, somebody who can guide you properly. For me, as a fresher, I was very clueless when it all started. It was all very last minute. I went to YouTube, I just did a search, and Cat King came up. Most of the videos were from Sumit sir, and the way he speaks just gives you a very good motivation. And in my journey, I needed that motivation a lot. So I started following him religiously. So that is what helped me, because somebody you need to pick a person who's guiding you, and you have to put your faith in and stick to it. Every night I used to listen his live sessions, and they have helped me tremendously. I don't know without them how would I have been able to maintain my calm, because that pressure of just 3 months was on me like crazy. So all my tips would be that practice a lot, give mocks, as many mocks as you give, I believe CAT is just the exam of practice and giving mocks and selecting the right questions. And just have a composed mindset. Just play on your advantages and as many resources that you have, use them to your best and just give your best. Good luck.